Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this radical expression. We have today 1 over x divided by root 18 over 6 is equal to 1. The first step I see here is the divide. To change this to multiply, we have to flip the equation. So we have 1 over x into 6 over root 18 is equal to 1. Now we have 18. Let's find the factors of 18. So we can break it up and work with it. So 18 happens to be equal to 3 root 2. We can replace it here. So let's do that. 1 over x into 6 over 3 root 2 is equal to 1 is what we have. So 3 cancels and we have 2 here. All right. So this works out to a simple 2 over x into root 2 is equal to 1. And now that makes it easy. We just bring x up here and leave the 2 down here and we'll find the value of x. X will be equal to 2 over root 2 and that's your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.